Hi Abby, this looks pretty good. Um, we're going to use share parameters from here on out. So I'm going to give you an example of how I've been doing these sheets. So I think we're going to do away with this guy here for right now, but we'll leave it there. So the first thing we want to do, we want to go into this family. So I'm going to activate this view. I want to open this family up. So whenever it opens, attached a file called shared parameters. It's a TXT file, and it's what you'll use to access these shared parameters that we'll be using for all the project, all the channels for right now. It's a little easier and maybe faster. Okay, so let's go on our reference level. And here you got this set up pretty good. So now to use the shared parameter, you have to go into your family types. You select your family types, and now these are all good. We're going to change these types here, but we can leave them for right now as a reference. So what I've been doing, I will go here and I'll select new parameter. And then once you're on your new parameter, you want to select share parameters. And then you hit select. Now you don't, as of right now, this is how you choose a file. So you'll say yes right here, and then you'll go browse to that file I sent you. Uh, just put it wherever you want. I've got mine. Let's see, where did I put it? Put it here, I think. Yes, it's in here. So select this text file, hit open. Now once it's selected, then these parameters will come available to you. So all you do from that point is to select it. So you'll select this one, hit OK, and then hit OK again here, and OK, and there it is, the classification code. So then you want to do the next one, shared parameter, select, we'll go to finish, we'll go OK here, OK, and there's our finish inserted. Same thing again, we'll shared parameter, select, I'm going to go with length here, we'll go OK, I'm going to go OK. Okay, that's already in there, so I'm going to skip by that one. So let's go down to our next one. You can't select them all at once. You got to pick them one by one. This will be our part number. Okay. And it's going in the comment is a text parameter. It's grouped under text like all the rest of these grouped under text. Say okay. Then I'm going to go again. I'm going to go share parameter, select, and I'm going to go wait. Okay. Hit OK. So now we got all these new parameters selected. So what we have to do from this point, we'll go and add our classification code. So we're gonna keep these types here because these are all good. But for our classification code, that was PR underscore 80 underscore 77 underscore 27 underscore 15. And the finish here is HG for hot dip galvanized. The part number is going to be this without the HG on it. So we're going to go P 2000 T Let me look at this part number again here. Yeah, so you can really do this. You can just cut and paste these in. This is an easier way to do it. Control V it in. And then a weight, we go back here and we can do the same with the weight. For the weight is 5.16. Okay, now there's our first one, so we'll go to the second one. So it might be a little annoying. We have to redo these for each one. My computer is kind of slow here, as you can see. So you might be able to go to your identity data and use the stuff we used before. So we can copy this and put this here now. The finish for this one is PG. The part number is going to be same again. Let's go back and look over here for the PG. Is that one. We'll place it back into our part number section. Control V here. And go back to the weight. 4.91. Copy that one. Okay, now that's the second one. Let's go. That's the next one here. Now I want to go back and show you something here I forgot. We can delete these out once my computer picks up. So we can take this class code here. We're not going to use that there anymore. We're going to go Control C, Control V. We can take this out now. We take this out. Because we're not going to deal with the weight anymore for these guys because this changes too much. PO. Okay, our part number here is going to be for PO. We've only got one here, so okay, here. Control V, and then our weight. Okay. Control V. So there's our, for that one. Let's do the stainless steel one here. Computer's kind of slow, sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to take this class code again. We'll bring it up here. You don't need it here. And delete this out as well. You don't need it. You should change the model to, so we got to go back and fix these as well to P2000 T for the model number. Okay, now here the finish is going to be SS. Part number is, oh, we don't have a stainless steel here. So for this one, we don't have a stainless steel, so we want to fix that. So here all we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. We only have 6 different ones. So let's go back. We don't have a stainless steel, so let's fix that one. This one can come out. So I'm going to just delete this one. Yep, we can delete that one, totally. So stainless steel, 6 deleted. Okay, now we have a 6 PO here. We do. So let's go fix that one. We have a 3 PO. We don't have a 3 PO, but we have a 6 PO. So we'll go classification code here. Control C. Control V. Finish is PO, plain oil, polished oil, whatever. Part number is let me make sure I got the right one. Is 6. Yep. Just copy. Go back into here. Control V. The weight for the 6 PO is 956. Copy. Okay. Now let's go back into here. Is our weight. Now, okay, what else do we have here? So 2 PO, 2 HG. I think we only have 6, so I think we got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's just go back and check this now. Just so we're here, we don't need this anymore. We don't need that anymore. I'll make this 2000. 2000T. Okay. Let's go back and double check now for this one. Computer's slow today. This is my old laptop. Need an upgrade. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. So we don't need this here. So we can delete these out now because we're going to use these other parameters. So that all looks good. Okay. Okay, let's get this out of here. Now I hope we're linking to our right family. Okay, sorry. My computer went on the downstroke. I hope it's still recording. Let me see if I can reconnect it. Sorry. Oh, man. There, I'm back. Okay. So we have to do this one now. The pre-galvanized number 6. So, oh shoot. Okay. This was PR underscore 80 underscore 77 underscore 27 underscore 15. Finish is going to be pre-galvanized for PG. Part number here is going to be it's for the 6. Yep. is this. And then the weight for the 6 is okay. And we'll go and say apply. I think we got them all. So this one is only 6. Oh, we got to change that model number. Oh, we really don't need it. It's P2000. Okay, so I think we got them all. Let's check them back. There's the H3. This computer probably has too many videos on it. Sorry about this. Okay, so another way we can check this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got HG, 2 HGs, 2 PGs. I think we got them all. So I'm going to apply these. And I'm going to say okay. Now what we have to do next is we have to load this back into our project, and then you want to save this over the other ones. Actually, I think we need to get rid of those other ones firsthand to make this a smooth transition. So let's window tile this. And then there's our new one. So what we want to do here is, let's go into our 3D view in our project. Let's window tile all this again. So we want to take the family we created and load it into our project. So I'm going to load into project. Now right here it's going to say override existing version. We have to say override existing version and its parameter values for this. So it's loading in now. Taking a bit of a while here. Yeah, this will probably be much faster on your machine. I'm not on the work machine. I'm on my own laptop, so can't do this on the work machine because this is training, and plus I don't have a recorder on my work machine. One day I could pause this, but what the heck. Actually, now I want to do is I want to get in here and I want to get rid of these old families. Jeez. So it's bringing all of that stuff in, the family types, and what happens is it's going to be scheduled, and we could use those parameters for our new schedule. That's why it's taking so long. But normally it wouldn't take this long. Okay, there we go. Now, let's just go in and have a look at this one here. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just have a look and see what's in here. So I'm going to edit these types, cancel this. So that's our new one. That's what we wanted in there because it has those parameters. So that's good. Actually, I might have got them all. And the best way to check that really is to go here and look in our family types. Okay, now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I want to do here, I want to get rid of, I'm gonna get rid of these. And then I'm gonna take this file this family right here. I'm gonna edit this type. Yep, that's the one. I want to keep that one. So I'm going to keep that one because that's one of the new ones we make. And then I'm going to purge these other guys out of here. So I don't really want to see none of these other ones in here. So let's select this again. It'll make things confusing. And all we have is 6. So then we just got the 1. That's all we want. Now I don't know we had a stainless steel in there. Did we? No, we didn't. So what I want to do is I want to replace that one because we didn't have a stainless steel. So I didn't get rid of it. I should have got rid of the other one. So let's go select this guy. Shouldn't have to do this if you do it right the first time. So I'm going to edit this type. I'm going to load. Okay, wait a second. This is what we got to do here. Let's just rename this guy here. What happened here? I'm going to rename this to HG if I can. I didn't have to go through this much trouble when I did this earlier. So we're going to delete that out because we don't need it. We don't need this. Say okay here. Now let's copy this guy up here out of the way somewhere, and hopefully that's a little problem here. Let's see. I'm gonna do this again. Sorry about this app. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this time. Make this a little simpler because we're dealing with one of those old families that don't work. I didn't get the right family in here. So I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna just draw me a little line here for reference. Let's go to architecture tab, draw me a model line, put it about right here. Okay, and I'm going to delete this out. So now I'm going to to load this family into the project, this one again. I'm going to go to component. I'm going to go to place component. I'm going to place on the work plane. Yeah, that's the one. Let's just place them right about here. Just about here, so we can get the about where it was. Say there. Yep, showing up. So now, once we have that in there, because this is the one that holds all our types. Should have purged that other one out, but okay. So now, let's take this guy and copy it over here or somewhere. We're going to edit this one. God. Did it wrong again. Let me make sure I got something going on over here. Let's see. Let's go back into here. Yeah, there's all our type. Uh-oh, I know we did wrong. Sorry. Not still the wrong family in here. So let's delete these out. I want to purge these again over here. So there should be nothing in here with our little reference line. So what I want to do here again, try this again. Go into our project. Place on the work plane. Oh, I know what we did wrong. I got it now. Let's move him up to here. Okay, that's the right one. So I had the wrong family in there. There's our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's move on here. So we've got that one in, and that's our 6. Let's make that our 3. Let's make that one. Boy, this is gonna be a long video. Make sure you get this good because I'm gonna have to delete this one out. Okay, so I'm gonna go move here. Move this guy right in here, about there. Now the sad part about it is, it's not that bad. We're gonna do them all this way. So this is our R3. Okay. Now let's copy this one up. Over here somewhere out of the way, out of our view area. And let's to make this our 6HG. Let's copy this one up here. Let's change this one to our 3PO. We only got one of those. Okay, now we got 3 more. So you can do it this way too, make it faster, I guess. This is very boring. This one will be our I didn't know we had a uh-oh. Well, just do this for now. We'll have to change it later. Let's go to 6PO. I thought we didn't have that one. In fact, let me double check. Oh, we do have 2. Okay, we're good. We're good. So there are actually 2 POs in here. Okay. Now we got 4, and then we need 2 more. Let's just grab these 2. Now let's see what we got left here. 2 POs. Oh, we got, okay. No stainless steel with this. That's what it is. So 2 HGs, 2, okay. So let's go back into our, so we got PO, I think we need PG now. Let's go in here. This is HG. So let's just copy these 2. This will be a PG 3. This one will be our PG 6, pre-galvanized. Okay, now, once you get those in there, let's go back into our view here. Let's deactivate this view. So now we got our schedule here that I said we can just do away with it totally. And let's do away because we're using share parameter now. So let's do away with this. Let's just go delete. And now we want to create another. We want to use this schedule right here. It might already work. So here's some of them came in. So, but let's do this way because these are old fields and we don't want to use these. So let's look at our fields. So we're not using type anymore. So let's get rid of that. We're not using description anymore. Let's get rid of that and type comment. Let's just get rid of all of these. And let's click OK. So now let's go and add our new parameters. So now We got part number over here we can use. Excuse me. And then we have finish. We got weight that we can use. So these are what we created in the shared parameters. We've got finish that we can use. And we also have, what else? Classification code. So if I hit, I'm going to move this around. I think I want weight on the bottom here. Classification code finish. So let's just click OK. And there's our new schedule. Now we got something missing here. So one of our family types is missing, and I think we're missing the HG. So let's go back and see what's going on there. So we should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So PG, PG, PO, PO, HG, HG. So something's going on with this one. So let's go back into our family. This is not this bad, trust me. So there's something wrong with our PG. So let's go back here. Let's open this up. And we forgot something here, or I forgot something here. So go on our family types. So it's a PG one. It's that one, I think. No, everything looks good there. So that's the PG6. Okay. Let's look at their PO. So everything appears to look okay here. Ah, there's the problem right there. So we need to fix this. We skipped one. Let's go Control C, Control V. This is not that bad, app. HG. Part number is X. The weight. 2006. Weight is 1032. Copy that. We got that. Okay. Control V. Okay, this is 6. Now let's just double check all these for sure this time. Remember this we don't need. I'm not gonna worry about it now because I'm probably boring you to death. I know I'm getting bored. Just ate through my whole lunch hour. Okay. Let's get this out of here. Get this out of here. Okay. I mean, this would probably be better on your computer and it'd be a lot faster. Like I said, this laptop is old, it's full of a lot of crap, probably 500 videos I do for my YouTube channel that I need to delete, uh, things like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just apply and I'm going to say okay. Should try to do something here. I want to try something else too here. Um, wow. Okay. Okay. And then we want to load this into our project. Again, we want to load override existing and its parameter values. Yeah, we kind of reinventing the wheel here, but I think this is good exercise in shared parameter. Like I said, I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. How to create a shared parameter. I'm going to make a series of videos on it, but these I created, so just use these for now, and it's good practice. I just wish this thing would hurry up. It's getting on my nerves. Oh, goodness. Woo, this is terrible. Sorry. I'm going to try to do something here. I'm going to try to show you how to do a little trick because we actually need the length in this schedule as well. I've been doing it, I just can't remember what I did. Hopefully I can do it in one shot and we can be done with this. Now this, you should, I mean, once you get this down, that'll be good because I'm going to delete this video because it's too long. We've been at it over an hour. Gosh. Maybe I'll pause it. Wow. Are you kidding? Okay, finally. So I'm gonna window tile this, zoom all, and let's go look at our schedule again. The generic model schedule. Now it should be in there. Yeah, it's in there now. So there we go. So now all we do now is just fix this format. And we want to go with center for each one. Okay, and then for appearance, we don't need to show the title here. We'll just go okay. And there's our schedule. So now I want to do something here. Hopefully, I want to just show you this right quick because we need to have the length in there as well. And it's probably going to drag us out a long time waiting again. So now once you get this done, you go take your generic model schedule and drag and drop it right here. Adjust it. Just adjust this like so. Now what I really need here, I need the length in here, and we need to be careful with the length because it's controlling our holes, our openings. So I'm going to see if I can duck around it and get it in without screwing anything up. So if I cut this video off, I've got to make a video for that. So I'm going to try to fix that for you right quick. So there you go. But we really need the length. So you just drag and drop that right there. And then here, now let's go back. I want to get another shared parameter in here. So I'm going to window tile this. I'm going to close some of these windows out and hopefully it'll help our speed. Okay, what did I do? What's going on here? So this is what I want to try to do here. I want to get that length parameter in here. So this is how we're going to try to fix this. So we've got the length with our formula. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to edit this. And then I'm going to go share parameter. I'm going to select length and hopefully let me do it. It did. Okay. Apply. I'm glad it let me do that because we need that in our schedule as well. That way we can show the length. So sorry this took so long, but that's how we want to do them all. Pretty simple. You can do the columns like that and just go back and review the ones you did and do it that way. Should keep you busy for a while. It really doesn't take this long because I'm going to go okay. I'm going to load this back into my project. Override existing view and parameters. You always have to do the bottom one when we're dealing with shared parameters. And I think that's why it's taking so long. Because see, I think mine is taking long because I'm using that shared parameter off a flash drive. So when I send you that shared parameter, put it on your hard drive somewhere, put it in a location, and it's already set up, and you just follow the video, and you should be good to go. And here we go again with this long wait. Sorry about this. You're doing good. Um, got a lot more of these to do, so I want to try to get all these done as soon as we can because I'm kind of reinventing the wheel here. Hey, I'm sorry I had to do this, but this seemed to be a little better, a little easier, and we don't want to get the loading stuff in because it's just it changes too much. Wow. My goodness. Yeah, that's what's the problem. I should have put this on my hard drive, but I just copied it off my computer to a flash drive. Um, and that's why it's taking forever. Come on, slow poke. I wonder if I can pause this thing. Oh hell, I'll just let it run. I got other things to work on. Okay, done. window tile. Now let's go up here, go back into this screen here. Now let's go here and double click on our schedule and go into our fields. Now that length should be in there. There it is. And let's move him up to, I would say that'll be the second one. Length. No, I'll make it third. I don't know, we gotta get, yeah, that's good. Just like that. And then we'll go in the formatting again. Length, center. Okay. And there you go. Let's fix this up a little bit here. I'll tighten it up for you. And just get that in there like that. And there you go. So hey, this is how we do it. Thanks for watching. Keep up the good works. With all those other ones should be this way. And use that type parameter for this. So hey, I'm gonna leave it here, and I'll send this to you. This shared parameter file. You can use it. And next up, I'll show you how to create a shared parameter. All right. Till next time. Bye.